When it comes to window replacement, whether for a home renovation, a new construction project, or simply replacing outdated windows, making the right choice in a service provider can be a daunting task. You need someone who is reliable, experienced, and capable of meeting your specific needs. If you live in Sumter, South Carolina, there are several key factors to consider when selecting the right window replacement service. Understand your needs before you begin your search for the ideal window replacement service. Take time to assess your own needs. Are you replacing old windows because they are drafty and inefficient, or are you looking to enhance the curb appeal of your home with stylish, energy-efficient designs? Do you want vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or another type of window? Understanding what you want will help you narrow down your options and communicate your expectations clearly to the window replacement services. Look for experience and expertise. Experience is one of the most important factors when choosing a window replacement service. Look for companies with a proven track record in the Sumter area. Established businesses are more likely to provide consistent, high-quality services because they understand local building codes, climate challenges, and the specific needs of Sumter homeowners. When evaluating potential contractors, ask how long they have been in business and request to see examples of previous window replacement projects. A reputable company will be proud to show off their work and offer references from past customers. If they have been in business for several years, it's a good sign they are trusted by the community and have built a solid reputation. Check licensing and insurance. Proper licensing and insurance are essential for any window replacement contractor you consider. A licensed contractor will ensure the installation follows the required building codes and regulations. Insurance protects you in case of accidents or damage to your property during installation. Without proper insurance, you could be held liable for damages or injuries that occur on your property. Request proof of licensing and insurance before signing any contracts with a company. Reputable window replacement services in Sumter will have no hesitation in providing this information. Assess the product range. Different window materials and styles can affect both the performance and appearance of your home. For instance, vinyl windows are low maintenance and energy efficient, while wood windows offer a traditional aesthetic but may require more upkeep. Depending on your preferences, it's important to work with a service that offers a variety of window types from trusted manufacturers. Be sure to ask your potential window replacement company about the options they offer. A good service provider should help you understand the benefits and drawbacks of different materials and styles based on your home's needs and your budget. Evaluate customer reviews and testimonials. In today's digital age, customer reviews can provide a wealth of information. Take time to read reviews on platforms such as Google, Facebook, and Yelp. Also, check the company's website for testimonials or customer success stories. Look for reviews that mention the quality of the product, the installation process, and customer service. Don't just pay attention to overall ratings. Look for specific feedback about punctuality, communication, and how well the company handled any issues that arose during the project. This insight can be invaluable when determining if a company aligns with your expectations. Get multiple estimates. Obtaining several estimates from different window replacement services is a smart way to gauge pricing and service quality. While the cheapest option may seem attractive, it's important to consider what's included in the price. A low estimate could be a sign of subpar materials, hidden costs, or less experienced labor. On the other hand, an expensive estimate may not always mean the best quality. Ensure each estimate you receive breaks down the costs of materials, labor, and any other potential fees. This transparency will help you make an informed decision and find a service that offers both value and quality. Consider customer service. Excellent customer service can make a big difference in your experience with a window replacement company. From the first phone call to the final installation, you should feel confident that the company is responsive, professional, and eager to meet your needs. Ask questions about the timeline for the project, how they handle unexpected issues, and what kind of warranty they offer on their work. A trustworthy company will prioritize customer satisfaction and provide you with clear, honest answers. Conclusion: choosing the right window replacement service in Sumter requires careful consideration, from understanding your needs to evaluating the contractor's experience and customer feedback. By following these steps, assessing your needs, checking qualifications, comparing products, reading reviews, and seeking multiple estimates, you can ensure a smooth, successful window replacement project that enhances the beauty and efficiency of your home.